Hello, folks. In this comprehensive course, I'll guide you through the entire process of creating a hybrid zombie shooter game in Unreal Engine 5.5 from start to finish, including uploading it to Steam at the end of developing this complete game. This course is designed for beginners, making it the perfect starting point if you're new to Unreal Engine or game development. Whether you want to create your first game or expand your skills, this step-by-step tutorial will teach you everything you need to know about building a complete shooter game. We'll be setting up our project and we'll be using Mixamo and other free assets to develop this entire game without having to spend too much on marketplace assets. We will also be using procedural content generation for world building and also implement different player controls and different types of weapons for the players to use. By the end of this course, you will have the skills to create your own game and a complete zombie shooter to showcase. So grab your mouse, fire up your Unreal Engine, and let's get started. Let's get started. I'm going to launch Unreal Engine 5.5.1 and let it load. Once it's done loading, I'm going to select the games and I'm going to select the third-person project as our default to get started. I'm going to name my project Project Necrovid and then go ahead and select Create. Now we wait for the project to load for the first time. Once loaded, we're ready to get started.